My friends, I'm at the barber shop here in the Philippines, and my wife said my hair is too long. I look like the old man. So my friend right here, he's got a 1 on the sides and a 2 on the top, and I said that's what we're gonna go with. You know, because I got a lot of gray hair. I'm gonna admit to it. He's gonna chop this off. I don't color my hair. I just cut it off. So you can take a good look right now, but when this gentleman gets done, I'm gonna look fresh and crisp. My friends, I can't make this video much longer. When I hit the barber's chair, I go to sleep. So I'm gonna give my wife a rest and tell her to just put the video around her neck and just relax. When I get done, we'll pick it back up because I'm about to pass out. Thanks for joining me, my friends. Dude, I can dance too. Ask my wife. Saya belum mayo, kenapa ya? I'm gonna tell you right now, I am looking fresh. My friend right here, what's your name, bro?
Arman.
Arman? Did it right? I just took 20 years off of me.
Right.
I look like I'm 21 again. And my wife said I look so handsome. My God. So, yeah. How much?
60 pesos.
60 pesos?
Yeah.
Alright, so 60 pesos, folks, that's like a $1.20 US. I'll put the conversion down there. But I don't know if I got the money or my wife got the money. Who got the money? Oh, I got the money. Okay, so give this gentleman 100 pesos and 100 right now. Just you do the 50 to 1, right? So it's like $2, right? And this gentleman right here, and I'm gonna flip him back 20 on the tip. But this gentleman did a great job for me right here, and I'm next to the Cowit market in the northern part of Cebu province. Folks, I feel fresh. I feel crisp. And what I'm thinking about doing, there you go, my friend. That's a tip for you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, my friend. I'm gonna come see you next week, all right?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
Next week, get the same thing.
Yeah.
Next week, all right?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much. All right, my friends, I'm out of here. I'm about to go drink one more beer, and then I gotta figure out what I'm gonna cook tonight for my wife and the family. And I'm thinking tonight I'm gonna cook some fish, but I'm not sure about that. I might go with chicken soup. I don't know, but it's up to me. So thanks for joining me. If you're not a subscriber, bottom right hand of your screen, click that Overstay Road sign and it could change your life. I'm out of here. Peace out.